We have one mission. Let's feed the people in need.
World Central Kitchen is on the ground in Nassau, just 90 miles from the eye of the storm.
We show up, boots on the ground, and we start feeding people. And in the process, the plant shows up. That's who we are. And we do it with the community. We do it with locals. We empower the local reconstruction as we keep feeding people. Here we are with more than 40 small farmers that we are giving grants. One day they will have a very big percentage of the foods they consume produced right here in the island. We're about ideas and putting them into action. Hay muchas formas de luchar. Ahí no había militares disparando a militares, había habido militares disparando a niños y a mujeres. I don't know what he said, but he seemed very happy. I think in the 21st century those horrors are happening. Okay. Tenemos gente en Kharkiv que están cayendo misiles en lugares, en hospitales, en escuelas. We're here in the town of Chilino, and my friend Irina, say hi. Say hi. She's helping. This is like a central location for food distribution, and there are some of the leaders. And we came a week ago. She found us in Podranka, and she said, "You didn't come back." And when World Central Kitchen comes one, we always come back.